So once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Biro Piro in Coding. So this is our third video on HTML. So let's start. What are the things we learn today? So this is our today agenda. So first one is what is the table tags. Second one is what is the form tag, and third one is what is the anchor tag. So let's start. First one, what is the table tag? Let's suppose we want to create some table data, some table format in the our web pages. So we use table tag. So how to create the table in the on the web pages and all the things I'm covering in this video. So let's move. So what is the table tag? Table tag is used to display the data in the tabular form, and some example that row and column format. So this all the first we use the table tag. In the table tag we have three tags. First one is th means heading tags, tr means t, table row, th means table heading, tr means table row, and td means table data. So with the help of all the four tags we created tables. So let's start. First first I open sorry first I open my folder. Here I'm coding all the things. If you're not watching my previous video, I give the link in the my description, so you can watch the my previous video. What is the first one is the syntax of the html. Second things is second thing is what is the list, what is the formatting tag, what is the input tags, and all the things I cover in the in the previous video. So you can also watch the first right in the my cmd job will open. After that, code dot and enter, press enter. VS Code automatically open, and here I close all my face. Let's create one sorry let's create one another file which name is table.html, and enter. And after then shift 1 and enter. So this is our structure of the table, structure of the html. So here and give the title table tag. In the body section we want to create a table. So first we need table tags. After coding in this table tag we writing the all the row and column. So first we use tr tag. In the tr tag simply means table row, how many tables row we need. And the tr tag we simply use first one is th means table headings. So in the table heading I simply give the name is serial number. Second one is th name. And third one is th, which name is what the name is address. Address. And after that I simply save it and run the program. You can say you can you can see here. Sorry You can say here is the table serial name and address is printed. It is the table format. Here is you cannot see the border. If you want to insert the border, simply use border and 2 pixel, control s. And after then you can move, and here you can see the border is 2 pixel. So this is the our styling. What is the styling? I cover in the css part of css part. So don't worry about what is the. We simply you simply know if you need border in the table, simply use border, and how many pixel we need, one pixel, 0.5 pixel, 2 pixel, 5 pixel, all here is given. So this is all our headings. Heading always the in the bold. So that's why our output is the in the bolds. So after then we create another row. In the another row we simply insert the data. So let's td we use td tag. Td means table data. So serial number is 1, and name is td name is Tom, and sorry, td, and address is America. I hope America. So let's save it, and after go back to our web pages, and here you can say, oh sorry, here I'm by mistake I'm using ts tag. That's why my name is bold. So here you can say serial number 1 is the 1, name is the Tom, and address is America. So this is the our first row. If you want to insert second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, so you can easily insert. Just I copy this, and here I simply paste this and change our serial number Jerry, and Jerry belong to Japan. And here you can see serial number 2, name is Jerry, and address is Japan. If you want to make some another thing, just like td number, you can here you can see the one another column number is created. Sorry, number is created th. Sorry, this is our heading tag. That's why td number is created. If you want to insert, simply here you can go, and here insert td equal to 1 2 3 4, and here you can also insert td equal to 1 2 3 4, control s, and here you can see our number is also inserted. So that is how to you can create the table in the html. So if you need to create, if you need in the some particular times when you can build our web pages, definitely you need to create some tables in the form tables where you can show the data in the our flows. You can say our number of users, how many numbers of users are getting, and what is the all the static things, yeah, graphical things. So you can use tables. So let's move on another things. What is the form tag? So simply with the help of form tag, here you can first you can read our definition of the form tag. So a html form facilitates to user to enter data that is to be sent to the server and processing. So the the form tag, in the help of the form tag, we need to collect the some data from the visitor, yeah, user, and we can manipulate and they store in our database. So in the further we can have, if you want to send some notification, yeah, if you want to see the how many active user in by web pages, so all the things we are simply know, and how many users can be register our web pages, and all the things that we can store in the data with the help of form tag. So let's start how to create the form tag and all the things. So I'm creating the form tag with the help of table. So you can also create the with the help of the table in the further video when I use css and bootstrap. So I am simply create the without the help of the table. So you can also see the video on how to. So that's why we are covering both things, how to with create the form tag, a form with the help of the tables, and how to create the form with the without help of the table. All the things are covered in the this playlist. So form dot, let's start form tags, form dot html, and shift 1 and enter. Here is the metadata. Simply remove it and give the title form tag, and here simply write the form. Let's give the some other thing. So here you can say the html files are required if you want to collect some data from the visitor. If you want to collect some data from the visitor, I earlier I say, if you want to some data collect by the visitor and store in the our web pages, our database, so you need to form. So in the, you can see the here is the structure of the form tag. We write the form tags and close the form tags, and here is the all the input controllers. Input controllers, in the previous video I explain you what is the input types, how to the get the data, and which how many number of the way to get the data. So all the things I cover in the my previous video. So if you are not watching, please go to and watch this video, so you can better understand what is the input controls. So with the help of the test field, test field, we are using test field for the password, we are using the test field for the type of the password and test area and some buttons. So with the help of all the things, we can create the our form. So let's start create the form. So here is the form tag. In the form tag, simply I use table. Why I am using table? Because tr, because we don't use css, so that's why we don't can't able to eh, able to create as a structure, as a form tag, as a proper manner of the form. So that's why I am using form tag. With the help of form tag, let's give the, with the help of form tag, I simply manage this type of the things. This type, here is the my name, here is the, here is the, if here is the my name, here is the, here is the input field, here is the my password, here is my password field, and all the thing. If you are not using the table field, this is the all merges. Here my name field, here my password, here my password field, here my password field, on all the things. That's why I'm using the table. In the upcoming videos, when I use the css, when I use the css, I am using without using the table tag, I am so how to create the responsive web pages, responsive form page. So so let's start. So in the tr tag, first thing is name, and in the tr tag I simply use input types text, and I also give the placeholder enter here, sorry, enter here. This is our first field. No, sorry, I'm getting some mistake. Control S, sorry for. First one, our row tag. In the row tag, we are simply use td tag, yeah, ts tag, yeah, td tags. So here I'm using td tags. I create little bit mistake. So remember, in the tr tag we are using td tag. So tr tag means table row and td tag means table data. So let's start and run it. So here you can say, the now in the output, here is the name and here is the input field. Let's create the some name, give the space. Now it's look like very fine. And let's copy these things and paste it for control V. And here is our password field, and here is we using test type equal to password. What is the type, what is the input field? If you not, if you are not understand, you can watch my previous video, so you can better understand what is the input field and all the things. So here is my input fields, password equal to input field, here entering the input fields and all the things. Let's copy two times more, copy it, control V. This is our email field, email field, and here I'm simply enter email, and after then I am using one text area, text area. In the text area we have rows, rows equal to 10. How many rows of the text column? Calls, calls equal to 10, also 10. Placeholder, enter here, and simply close it, Control S, and you can see, sorry, in the my text area is the, simply remove it, it give me the little bit, Control S. That's why my text area is here. I can't understand. Let's wait a minute. I simply move in the tr tag, so hope it is work proper. Control S, take td, Control V, Control S. Now it's work properly. Wait a minute. Here we enter one another tr tag, and in the tr tag something yourself, something in yourself, Control S. Sorry, it is saved. Why I'm using tr tag, td tag? Sorry, I'm get Control S. Now you can see our test area. What is the little bit lengthy? So let's I give the column equal to, only give the row, not column. Now we see our text area look like fonts. Yes. So this is our test area. Test area means something, if you want to insert some number of lines, so you use test area. With the test area we need column. How many columns? Column is simply how many columns you can see in on web pages. If I put in here in the 100, you can see changes. Suppose if I put in the 100, you can see our column is 100 lines. So this is our test area. Test area. If I put the column equal to 100, so he's vertically 100 lines. So all the things. So this is our test area. Another thing, we create another tr. Sorry, tr. Here is we enter v. You use button type. Our type is the submit, because we need to submit the form, and here close the button tag. And second one Control C and Control V, and the type is reset. If you want to insert some data, or we need to reset the data, so we use reset data. And here we need to insert the what is the name of the button, so we'll use submit. You can use anything, and here my button name is reset. Control S, and go to my pages, and you can see here is one is the submit button, here is the reset button. If I enter the enter data, here I enter anything, aggregate gmail.com, and here I am something, hello, I am learner. Okay, and if I submit the data is automatically submitted by the where we need to connection, and where we need to processing. If I submit reset, click on the reset, you can see the all the our field is automatically restart. Sorry, it is not working. Why? Okay, the reset is not properly working. I don't know why this reset is not working. Oh, reset is not working properly. So why it's not working, I cover in when I we use the all the validation of the this field. So when I validate the all the fields and click on the submit button and click on the reset one, which is covered in the later video. But what you think what when we enter the submit button, when you enter the submit button, our data is automatically submit by the submit on our the server, yeah, where we want to get the data. If I click on the reset, all the fields will automatically reset. Just like if I here I am entering something, and here I'm clicking, all the data is the reset. That's happen in the reset button. So this is all about our form tag. So first we need the form tags. In the form tag we use how many input names, and how many label, how many names are we required. Here we name required input field is a name, email, password, email, and something about yourself. So all the thing, if you want to another, or if you want to some another thing, just like what we say checkbox, if you want the checkbox. And let's suppose I give the example of the checkbox. So here I am using one tr tag, and here I'm use td input types is checkbox, and simply value I give the value. So by default this value check me, and here you can say the checkbox is auto this is our checkbox. If I here enter, and so automatically check the our checkbox, and that's all the things. So hope you understand what is the form tags and how to create the form tag. So your homework is to create a form tag. It's the very good home page. And I need one name field, second one is password field, third one is our image field, because we already teach you to how to insert the image from the, how to take the image from the, how to take the input from the image and image fields. And another something is you can hardly take all the, I give you something how to take the all the. Here you can see input types, and you can take all the things. One is button, I already create take the buttons, you can auto check the button. Second one the checkbox, third one the color, date and time, email, file, hidden field. What is the hidden file field I cover in the earlier section. So image field, month, number, and all the same you can take and comment on my description. So I hope you understand the what is the table tag and what is the form tag. Let's move the third one. Our third one is the anchor tag. So what is the anchor tag? First question is what is the anchor tag? The anchor tag is define the hyperlink. Hyperlink means link. When we create the click the particular text, it is automatically open the another field. It's another another page. Yeah, another server. All the thing is the known as the hyperlink, which is used to link one form to link form one page to another page. So if you click on the particular page, it is automatically open the another page. It is known as the anchor tag. So how to, this is our the anchor tags. Here is I click on the Google, automatically http.google.com is the automatically open. Let's give the example. I simply copy here. Oh sorry, all the copies, all the things is automatic. Here I simply control V and remove the all the things. Here you can see I give the one, I create the one anchor tag, and if I click here you can see automatically our Google web pages is open. So how to do is these things I cover this video. So simply I create two field. First is the welcome, two page, welcome dot html, and second one is user user.html. So simply shift one, enter document. In here you can insert user user page, and second one is welcome. Shift enter, and in the welcome page I simply clear welcome page. This is our title. So what is the title page? If you don't know, so the title page is the automatically look in the our web page in the form of the corner. You can see here, this is called our title page. Here you can see the form tag is the title page, here is the table tag is the title page. This is called the title page. If you know about deeply how to title tag is right and all the things, so you can watch my first video where I can explain the all the titles and all the structure of the HTML and all the thing. So here simply I'll write, no I write here, I simply write in the heading tags, welcome user. So here simply write welcome user, and another h2, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching this video. And here I simply write one h4 tag. This is our heading tag. So, and here you can simply click to go, sorry, to go to welcome page. Click on the link link click on the link, and here I'll give the anchor tag. So in the anchor tag you can simply write the a, and after then we need the egg tag, and we need the name of the where we want to, which page we want to show. So we use href. In href we simply write where we want to move our this particular page. So simply write welcome.html. If user click here, simply show the welcome.html page. So if user click here, the welcome.html page automatically so let's control s, and here I'm running the our web page. So here you can go to go to sorry what I write, to go to welcome page, click on the link. So simply just I click here, and here you can say welcome agent, thank you for the watching this video. So this is all about our anchor tag. So in this topic, in the anchor tag, you simply use the http. If you want to go to the another server, here I go to the Google server, Facebook server, Instagram server. So you can write the http colon slash slash google.com. If you want to go to the Instagram, the http colon slash slash instagram.com, and all the thing. So this is all about our today's lecture. After that, what is the summary of the lecture? We have used the table tag. In the table tag you can use tables. In the table tag, if we use tr tag is a table row. In the table row we have two options, th means table heading. So table heading is the first line of the our table. So if we want to make the particular heading, serial number, name, and address, so with the help of table heading you can use the table heading. And here is the td means table data. So with the help of table data you can insert the data. And after then we are using the form tag. In the form tag we are first open the form tag and then close the form tag. In the form tag all the things we are writing in the test field, test area button. I also use all the things, and n number of the things, checkbox and all the things. You can also explore it and use it, and create a very good very good form tag and link and post in my comment section. So I appreciate you and all the thing. After then we using the anchor tag. In the anchor tag Then if you want to one page to another page, and if you want to one server to another page, to how to use the anchor tag, and all the things I cover this video. And this is the for this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you are watching this, please make you like this video and the subscribe my channel. Thank you.